Bowel movement. Introduction. Can you point to the colon? Choose one of the following options.
Choose 1 or 2.
Correct. The colon is in the lower GI tract. A normal bowel movement is passed easily without pain or cramping. Select true or false. Correct. A normal bowel movement is well formed, contains no blood, and is passed easily without pain or cramping. A person is constipated if they do not have a bowel movement every day. Select true or false. Correct. It is common for some people to have a bowel movement every day. However, constipation is defined as having a bowel movement fewer than 3 times per week. Diarrhea can cause serious health problems. Select true or false. Correct. Although it is not usually harmful, diarrhea can cause serious health problems. It may also signal a more serious problem. Most often, constipation is caused by a simple infection that is the result of a virus. Select true or false. Correct. This statement is false. Most often, diarrhea is caused by a simple infection that is the result of a virus. Constipation is often caused by lifestyle choices, such as poor diet. Constipation and diarrhea are common and do not require medical attention. Select true or false. Correct. If your bowel habits change, you should contact your healthcare provider. Thank you for using Explain.